Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can customize and change the text indent for text boxes you add to your websites on Wix. So let us dive into this. Navigate to the page on your website project, click into the text box or add a new text box, for example. And what you want to do, guys, is, as you can see, that's the current indent for that text box. Right click into the text box, select edit text here. And here, guys, under the text formatting tools and font formatting tools, you will see these options: alignment, bulleted and numbered lists, as well as the indent features or tools. Now you can change or decrease the indent or indent it. For example, an increased indent would look like this. Now if you'd like to reverse that, simply select decrease indent, and that's it. Of course, you can do this for specific lines as well. Just simply highlight the given line and apply this only for the given. Well, as you can see, it works only for the selected text box. So excuse me, here it doesn't work for specific lines. You will need to apply it to specific line, you will simply need to add a new text box and add the one liner to that text box and handle it that way. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.